to my first video. Oh yeah, let me move that. So, you're probably wondering, why do you have hair gel, 2 bowls, dish soap, a body wash, and baking soda? Well, I got suggest for one of my first YouTube videos is to make slime. Yeah, don't worry, the next video will be Kristen. My next video is actually gonna be starting. I'm gonna be starting 3 ways you can get rid of sin. Like the next one's gonna be 3 ways to help you get rid of greed. Yeah. So well, let's get on. So the first thing you got to do is I'm gonna use 2 types of soap. You don't have to. Alright. Get the hair gel. Oh man, I got all over me. Good. I'm gonna take that off. Okay. Okay, and then you sprinkle it with baking soda. Oh crap. Mix well. Lord, I hope this works. If it doesn't, look this recipe on Google. So it's dissolving, so I'm gonna add more. Yeah. It sure is getting everywhere. Soap. This kind of soap too. I don't think I'm doing this right. Let's see. Alright. I'm gonna pour in this little bowl. Oh man, it looks like chunks. Yeah. Oh, look at it! It's like a mixture. It's all watery. Oh gosh! Let me see if I can add more. So the next thing it says is you go put it in the freezer. So I got it. So I'll come back in 1 hour. I'm back. So I just realized my phone was upside down when I was trying to put the thing in the freezer. So I'm back an hour later. I just looked at the ingredients and told me to wait 15 minutes. I think I messed it up. Dang it. Okay, well. Hang on. Alright. It's so cold! Gosh dang it! Done in the trash. Instant failure! Well, I tried my best at making slime, and it failed. So, that's all I got today, guys. I'll be back with another video pretty soon, but I hope you guys like and subscribe. Love you guys.